I thought I used to put stickers up and everything in the pool. I'm still fishing a while back. Yeah, let me see. It might be but I'm thinking it's a slight bit narrow. I got that A body I want to put it in. I'm going to go gas it. That's a great action. Oh, yeah? Hell yeah. I mean, it's a notchback Barracuda. It ain't going to be. Right, yeah. It's not the Valiant one, but it's not the E body either. What do you yeah, it's still an A body. Yeah, it is. It's not put that in one there. That's what I'm saying, but that's what I want to do is put that in there. Straight asshole. I tell you what, put in Texas stacks, they make them cavalry, they electronic. It looks like the old Angelo, but it's like modern electronic. It just hits and everything. It's just that cool. I mean, that thing there wasn't no fancy things on them. They're really good. It ain't worth putting back stock. I did it fastback? No, not. It was the notchback. But it's funny. I don't know why they didn't race them. They're like 200 pounds lighter than the fastbacks. You know, I mean, it was lighter than the dark and lighter than the fastback. I got back glass. Oh hell yeah, those. I know what you're talking about, that Valiant case. Yeah. I've known a couple guys that one for it. You can't buy it. I know. I knew one guy who had a couple Mopars over in Louisiana. His kids were playing ball with us. This one is what he got.
Just like NASCAR.
Yeah.
As long as they don't fly over here. Next weekend? The guy on the right is my gal.
I got you down. I know it.
I'm ready to back. I'm ready to run if I got to.
Oh, you're fine. Hell,
No, I see him going back and forth. I'm sorry.
something? What are they?
Yeah, it's just some water. It rained the other day or yesterday,
Oh, and
it's
that's
still
where you get
standing.
your traction?
It helps heat up the tires.
So when they see water, they go...
They roll through it and then smoke the tires. It makes them heat up a little quicker. It makes more smoke.
Okay.
Kind of like making them a little more slippery, so you ain't got to use as much horsepower to make that much smoke.
Yeah, when they start
It's like that. Yeah, it's like that. That's going to ruin this if they don't stop it.
That's what the people come out for, Charlie.
I know.
Oh! He's going around the corner. Come back.
I know it. Turn around. But yeah, that'll go far.
Oh.
Well, actually, it might be an alley. You can get over to the next street. Okay, what's this? Okay.
It's coming out really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I kind of figured we'd get around one of these. No. Don't know.
What?
Might be.
Don't do that down by that cop. Looks like it's just people that are looking for cars that aren't here.
I know it. There's that Ferrari again.
Where?
Right there. Pass.
I got it then. Problem with this? Police can look at it and bust every single one of them.
Oh, I know it.
But I'm not the only one doing this, so I ain't worried about it. Oh, come on, let's get some action.
Oh, that needs to have the top down.
Huh?
That GTO is just passed.
Get rid of that flag, dude. Look at this little car. Oh, Mercedes. Never mind.
Yeah. I know if I had a convertible, it would be down there.
This is getting really boring.
What?
They quit fronting the wheels.
Well, yeah, they saw the cop and they're going to let it settle a little